Hey there, fellow streamers. Welcome to the channel dedicated to helping you supercharge your FireStick. In today's video, we're going to be installing one of the best apps out there for all your free content. Movies, TV shows, anime, you name it, it's got it. So, grab your remote and follow the guide, and remember you can always pause the video at any time if things are going too fast. First, we're going to head to the home screen of your device and make our way across to the search icon. In the search bar, start typing the word downloader, and after a couple of letters, it should appear at the top of the list, so go ahead and click on it. Click on the icon, you can't miss it, it's the big orange one with downloader written on it. While that's downloading, if I could ask that you hit that like and subscribe button, it only takes 2 seconds, but helps out the channel massively. Before we open up Downloader, we need to enable some hidden settings to make it work. So hit the Home button. Make your way across to Settings, and then down to the My Fire TV icon. By default, the developer options are hidden. Just enter the About section and tap on the device name 7 times. Hit the back button and you should now see they have been enabled. Once inside, go ahead and click Install Unknown Apps. You can now go ahead and switch the toggle to On for Downloader. Now click Home and make your way across to the Downloader app. Once inside, head to the search bar and type in the code you see on the screen. Remember, you can pause if you need more time. Just make sure you type exactly what you see here to make sure you are getting the right app. Let the app download, hit install, and once it's done, that's it. Your device is now ready for all the free content you can handle. Check out our other videos to find out the best apps to access all the free content you could ever need.